Hi, Ray here, and I just want to tell you about the course that we're running tomorrow, Wednesday 28th of August, which is an introduction to using the ChatGPT API. And I'm going to show you very quickly why you'd want to be able to do this. So we're going to show the people on the course how to write a function that can call ChatGPT. And we're going to do that in Google Sheets using Google Apps Script, although the same principles work for other languages too. Once we have this function, ChatGPT, we can use it to answer simple queries the same way we could with the web interface. So equals ChatGPT, and I put in a question, for example, what is the capital of France? It's going to go to ChatGPT, come back and tell me the capital of France is Paris. That has no benefits over using the web interface. But if we start moving to data, you can start to see why having functions like this could be useful. So I've got some survey data on the left, and I want to know whether or not there is personally identifiable information in there. So I can use this ChatGPT function we've created and put in a question like, does the following answer contain PII? Just respond yes or no, and the answer to at D8, and D8 is that cell with OK in it. I'll do that and I can fill it down all of the rows, and it identifies that in this test data there are two cells that potentially have PII. There's email me bogus test, and there is call me on, and a telephone number down there. We're going to have developed quite a few functions during this workshop and this online course. One of them is going to be able to deal with a range of cells. So here is a dashboard that I've created using the Google Finance function. It gives me live updates for the share price, the 52 weeks high and low, and the market cap for a range of tech companies. So that's a dynamic dashboard. I can then create a facility where the user can simply type a question into this cell, and they're going to use the function we're going to share with people in the course, array prompt. They select the dashboard, they select the location where the question is placed, and then when they hit return, it uses ChatGPT to interrogate the dashboard and come back and say the company with the highest valuation is Apple, and it gives the number there. But of course, if we change the question on the sheet, it comes back with another answer, this time which company has the lowest share price. So by creating functions like this, we can leverage the power of ChatGPT with a whole range of data. And there's an unlimited number of ways that you can use this learning. So if you are interested in joining this course, Wednesday 28th of August, you can buy a ticket via that URL there. If typing in the URL is a bit tricky, but it will be in the comments below this video, you could simply Google New MR Introduction to Using the ChatGPT API. If you've missed the date, drop us an email. We can tell you about the next time the course is being run, or whether you can access the recordings and materials from the course anyway. Thanks very much for listening.